Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about digital music done right. I get into a lot of discussions with mix engineers and people in general on YouTube with comments and things like that. And my argument today is there's just too much processing. There's just so much of it. I mean, you hear it immediately, and there's so much of it. It's almost like it's become its own musical genre. So, I think we should start titling songs with 40% processing, 60%, 70%. No, I'm joking, of course, but I think you all understand what I mean. I mean, it's great to be able to do things in the digital domain, but it's much better, I think, to get it right first in the analog. Okay? So my whole argument then becomes, where's the music? Is it processing? Is it music? Where's the music? And I think the more processing you add on, the more the music gets pushed down and covered. Look at Adele. What a beautiful voice. But they process it to death. Listen to her recordings. I haven't heard much from her lately. I hope her voice is okay. She really strained it with the way she sung, but it was amazing. But the processing they use on that poor girl's voice, I know it probably sold millions and millions of records, but where are we today, huh? Understanding different references that people have. I'm not saying mine's right. I'm not saying yours is wrong. But what I'm saying is we're losing track of a reference that years and years ago, there was a pretty common sharing of a certain definition of things. Today, not so much. I don't know today if anything is defined. So, 2-channel, we always had a goal of very high resolution. Well, today, just because you can do something in the digital domain, why? Or maybe, there's another way. I know the answer to this mostly is money and space and all of those crazy things, but isn't music more important than those things? I think so. Okay. Go to Octaves Records. I think that's Paul McGowan's company, PS Audio. But go to the website. Get an idea. Listen to those little 30-second clips they have. Buy the albums. But listen to that sound quality. That's a good reference to have. Okay. In the whole gist of everything, you listen to it, and there's nice digital resolution, 192, I think, some of that stuff. But you've got an analog voice in music. They didn't let all the processing, I don't know how much there was. There's some, I'm sure. Doesn't matter. They didn't let it get in the way of the voice in the music. And that's the key here. I always say digital is polish. Get it right in the analog domain and polish it up in the digital domain. People think today, and I get 10 calls a week, that you can EQ a plus 15 dB peak or dip in frequency response. You can, but it'll sound stupid. And that's a good word for it. You ever heard that kind of attenuation? So anyway, enough of my ranting here, but I think if we all had a little bit more understanding of everybody's reference, my reference is 50 years old. It's still a good reference. I used to play trumpet for 10 years, so I read music, I understand music, I love music. More importantly, I love getting the room out of the way so I can hear the music. It's like this constant thing, that's nagging you, person that's nagging you all the time to clean this up. And, I've been in this business so long, I hear all the problems when I walk into a room first. I don't hear what sounds right. I hear what sounds wrong first. And then my inclination is to come up with a way to fix it. It's a curse and a blessing both. Digital music done right, Octaves Records. Take a peek, listen, and you'll have a good understanding of the reference that I like to use. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.